Hey everyone, welcome back to another crypto tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to withdraw USDT from Kucoin to Robinhood in 2025. If you're looking to move your Tether holdings smoothly between exchanges, this guide is for you. It's a straightforward process, but always double-check for any platform updates since crypto rules can change fast. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Kucoin and Robinhood, and that you have USDT in your Kucoin wallet. Also, verify that your Robinhood account supports USDT deposits. By 2025, they might have even more options for seamless transfers. Step 1. Log into your Kucoin account. Head over to the Assets or Wallets section and find your USDT balance. Click on Withdraw next to it. This will open a form where you'll need to select the cryptocurrency, in this case, USDT. Step 2. Choose the right network for your withdrawal. In 2025, popular options might include Tron, TRC20, or Ethereum, ERC20, but pick the one that matches Robinhood's deposit requirements to avoid any lost funds. Robinhood typically supports specific networks, so double-check their help section. Step 3. Enter the withdrawal amount. Be mindful of any minimum limits and fees. Kucoin might charge a small fee, and network fees could add up. Then, paste in your Robinhood USDT deposit address. You can find this by logging into Robinhood, going to your crypto wallet, and selecting the deposit option for USDT. Step 4. Review everything carefully. Double-check the address to prevent errors. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Once you're good, hit Confirm and complete any two-factor authentication if required. You'll get a confirmation email or notification. After that, sit tight. Withdrawals can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on the network congestion. Once it's done, log into Robinhood and check your account to ensure the USDT has arrived. Remember, security is key in crypto. Always use hardware wallets for long-term storage and stay updated on regulations, especially with something as stable as USDT. If you run into issues, both Kucoin and Robinhood have support teams. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more 2025 crypto tips. See you next time.